Say hi. She's like, no. Say hi, Hazy. Look how big she is. She's like, ow, Mom. Okay, this is her. That's the pup date. Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you a recipe for fudgy almond butter brownies. I kind of wanted to try and make like some sort of flourless chocolate cake. Basically, it's just a whole lot of butter and eggs. And then when I kind of started playing around with it, I realized that it's really hard to make that without real eggs. So this kind of, I had to end up adding a little bit of flour. So this kind of turned into more of like traditional brownies, but they're made with almond butter instead of vegan butter. So they're super, super good. I have gotten lots of good reviews on them so far, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make them today. Really quick before we get started, if you guys are looking for a holiday gift idea for a vegan or someone who loves to cook in your life, you should check out my cookbook. Find it at bookstores. In Canada, you can get it at Chapters Indigo, and in the States, you can get it at Barnes & Noble, but I'm sure there's other stores around the world that have started carrying it as well. I can put a link to it below, but that is everything for now, so let's get into the recipe. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you try it out. If you do, make sure to take a photo and tag me on Instagram. I'm at itslivb. Also, if you make this and you really enjoy it, I would love if you could leave a review on my blog. It's super easy. You can just do like a star rating or leave a comment. Let me know if you made any substitutions or how you found it. That is everything for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.